Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will show you how to repair the instrument clusters of Skoda Octavia, Volkswagen Golf 5, Golf 5 Plus, Passat and Touran using Minitools part SEPD ISP31. For this repair you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown and undo the two rear screws. With the head of the spudger, open the panel by levering on the plastic clips. Remove the front cover. Then release the board, detaching it from the back cover. With the Minitools pliers, unlock the latches of the metal frame securing the display. And remove it. With the head of the curved tip tool, open the connectors of the two side FPCs, unhooking them first from one side, then from the other, and remove the LCD. Peel off the protective films from the Minitools display. Install the new LCD on the board, fitting and securing the two FPCs, one at a time, as shown. Put back the metal frame and secure it, locking the latches on the back. Reassemble the instrument cluster and tighten the screws. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Go to the online store at minitools.com to find a wide range of parts and tools to repair dashboards. Thank you for choosing Minitools.